In this video, I'm going to show you how to add family sharing on Steam so you can share your game library with family members easily. Steam's family feature lets multiple people access games from one shared library while keeping their own progress, achievements, and play history. It's a great way to save money and enjoy games together without buying the same titles multiple times. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can set it up in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam and gaming tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're logged into the account that owns the games you want to share. Once Steam opens, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the Steam menu. From the drop-down list, select Settings. This will open the main settings panel where you can control different parts of your Steam account. Inside the settings window, look at the menu on the left side and find the option called Family. Click on Family to open the Family Management section. This is where Steam allows you to manage game sharing, family groups, and parental style controls. In this section, you'll see the option to create or join a Steam family. Click on the button that says Create or Join a Steam Family to continue the setup process. Next, select the option that says Create a Family. Steam will now ask you to enter a name for your family group. This can be anything you want, such as your household name or a simple group name that helps you recognize it. After typing your family name, confirm the creation of the family group. Once the family is created, you'll gain access to the Steam Family Management area. From here, you can start inviting other Steam users to join your family group. Simply send them an invite, and once they accept, they'll be able to access shared games from the family library when they log in. After adding members, you'll also see several useful tabs that help you manage everything. You can manage the shared library, review game access requests, see playtime statistics, and check the activity history of family members. This makes it easy to keep track of what games are being played and manage access if needed. And that's it. You've successfully set up family sharing on Steam and can now invite members and manage your shared library. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Steam tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.